The spirit circle is the assembling of a number of persons for the purpose of communion with those who have passed from earth to the higher world of souls. The chief advantage of such an assembly is the mutual impartation and reception of the combined magnetisms of the assemblage. These in combination form a force stronger than that of an isolated subject. First, enabling spirits to commune with greater power. Next, developing the latent gifts of mediumship in such members of the circle as are thus endowed, and, finally, promoting that harmonious and social spirit of fraternal intercourse among mankind on earth, which is one of the especial aims of the spirit's mission. The first conditions to be observed relate to the persons who compose the circle, who should be, as far as possible, of opposite temperaments, as positive and negative in disposition, whether male or female, also of moral characters, pure minds, and not marked by repulsive physical or mental points. The physical temperaments should contrast with each other, but no person suffering from decidedly chronic disease, or a very debilitated physique, should be present at any circle, unless it is formed expressly for healing purposes. I would recommend the number of the circle to be not less than 3, nor more than 12. The object of the association of differing temperaments is to form a battery on the principle of electricity or galvanism, composed of positive and negative elements, the sum of which should be unequal. No person of a very strongly positive temperament or disposition should be present, as any such magnetic sphere emanating from the circle will overpower that of the spirits, who must always be positive to the circle in order to produce phenomena. It not desirable to have more than 2 well-developed mediums in a circle, mediums always absorbing the magnetism of the rest of the party. Hence, when there are too many present, the force, being divided, cannot operate successfully with any. Of temperature. Never let the apartment be overheated, or even close. As an unusual amount of magnetism is liberated at a circle, the room is always warmer than ordinary, and should be well ventilated. Avoid strong light, which, by producing excessive motion in the atmosphere, disturbs the manifestations. A very subdued light is the most favorable for any manifestations of a magnetic character, especially for spiritual magnetism.